Here's everything I ate in a day's work. I am on a bit of a health kick at the minute. I'm 8 weeks out from High Rocks. So that's why my dad is like this. First things first, coffee, and then breakfast. I'm going a bit mad here. People are going to probably judge me for this. Boiled eggs. Now, I live ridiculously close to my work, so these were still warm. You know, I'm not raw dogging cold boiled eggs like a psycho, but I would prefer them to be runny, but obviously I can't eat them in work. So 4 boiled eggs, perfect little cookie egg there. These were actually pretty nice. Enjoyed these. Then I had to have my creatine. This was absolutely rancid, so I'm not even going to tell you what creatine that was. I actually stole it from my brother, but he will actually be getting it back. You can see from my face here. Disgusting. Then a wee while after, had some pineapple. This was actually a good pineapple, you know, pretty juicy. I enjoyed it. At that, and then, spilled the juice everywhere. And then on to the main event. This chicken and chorizo orzo pasta salad situation. Actually, it wasn't a salad, it was like a pasta. It was great anyway. Made that from a dinner the night before. Had leftovers for lunch. And then finished off in a wee packet of these. Powerful.